Hello, today I'm in Toyota Proace. In this video I'll show you how to connect your smartphone with car via Bluetooth. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and go to menu. Enter options and go to Bluetooth connection. Tap search. Select your smartphone. Confirm connection on the smartphone and on the car. Allow. And now select profile. You can select phone, audio streaming or mobile internet data. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.